Plugging one Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Barry in Missouri on the RCI-2950DX6. Barry, got it ready to go for you, bud. You wanted just the basic tune line. We did just that. So, that being said, with the 50 watt slug, our power all the way down. There's 2 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 20. Show you average power swing. Hello. 50 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. 100 watts. And we'll just go over to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Maybe about 96 on sideband. Alright, Barry, we'll get it out to the show me state from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bop, bop.